Ajit. I started the Balanced Nutrition program 90 days back. At the start of the program, I was 104 kgs with high level of sugar, cholesterol, and also having high BP problems. However, post the 90-day program, today I stand at 79 kilos. All thanks to Kathy and her entire team at Balanced Nutrition who made this possible. Kathy and her team has a knack of keeping things simple yet effective. The entire diet plan ensures that you don't starve. However, eat healthy and on time. What I would say is, it is not just a drop of weight that I had. My entire lifestyle has changed. My approach towards healthy food and maintaining a good diet has changed. Thank you, Kathy, and all the best to the entire team. Thank you.